Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you configure or set up anti-phishing code for your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application, you just simply have to tap into this icon into the top left corner. Simply tap there, and after that select your profile. Now, after selecting your profile, you will get to see this option of security. Select security from here and scroll down to all the way bottom. And now you will get to see this option of anti-phishing code. Simply select anti-phishing code and you can set up anti-phishing code from this section. Just simply enter your anti-phishing code in here. You can also check examples by tapping into anti-phishing code example into here. You can check what you can set into anti-phishing code into this section. Then tap to submit button and you have to verify that it's you by putting your Google Authenticator code into this section and tap to confirm and your anti-phishing code will be set successfully. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.